ano, halimbawa, yung overseas absentee voting, may commissioner in charge na sila. Kami naman, ang ginawa ko, dinaan ko sa proseso. Sabi ko, baka ang pinakamainam, kaya hindi ninyo naaasikaso ito, may mga nakakalusot na wala kayong kalmalay-malay ng mga peke ng mga party list organizations kasi wala kayong partikular na commissioner na dalubhasa sa pag-aaral sa party list. Isang katerba itong mga ito na pumapasok. So, nung binasa niya, sabi kong gano'n, why don't you have a commissioner in charge? I think this is a very good idea, kami gano'n. And I will recommend Commissioner Sarmiento because I find him highly qualified in terms of administration.
What would the government gain in making these fraud organizations?
A lot. A whole lot. Because the House of Representatives in the 30th Congress has been lock, stock, and barrel under the, thumb of the administration. So it's been quite easy for the administration to get its programs and policies passed in the House of Representatives. And so if they get a nice majority here, which means to say a combination of the district representatives but plus the party list, then they will be able to thwart any effort by any opposition that seeks to find a resolution to unresolved issues of the 13th Congress.